right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We took two trades today. These are both in pre-market. I took a break even and then I took a winning trade. Let me show you guys the executions. I took this just on 3 Apex accounts and I'm going to run through it pretty quick. Didn't like anything in the AM. Like I just could not find an entry I wanted. I just did not like anything, and it is what it is. So coming into the day, I was willing to trade either way. I seen that we had this unfilled 1 hour right here, and above that we had this data low from 8:15 news right here. So it's like, okay, maybe maybe we can look for a quick move to this. We see price tap into the 1 hour, and then we use that 1 hour as a condition where if we respect it, we look for higher, and if we trade through it, we look for lower, which is what ended up happening in the AM session. So I get on my charts, I'm marking this out, and I just decide I'm going to try this out. So first entry I take is this 2-minute change in the state of delivery right here. We start flushing lower. I go break even right away, and then I get break even. It is what it is. I don't care. From there, it gets more discretionary. Basically what happens, I still see we have this 8:15 data low intact. We have a 1 hour gap and I want to target CE because most of the time price is going to respect off of the midpoint of a fair value gap, right? So I see price approaching that. It's very, very obvious to me that we're going to at least take this data low. So we get break even. We get this retrace into this 1 minute gap right here. And on top of that, we are respecting OTE 705. We got a 30-second close. This is much more discretionary. I was just willing to take this and throw on the risk. Just with those, I didn't really mind. So again, we put in relative equal lows with this data low. We get a retrace into this 1 minute gap. We are respecting OTE 30-second close. So I just decided to take this 20-point stop, break even at the data low, and then I just went full TP. I almost got taken out break even. Luckily, price came back down. I ended up getting out just a bit above CE, but that was the trade, guys. 55, or I think it was like 51 points, something like that. I got to clean that up. I don't know, but it was just over 2R. But basically, again, I was just seeing based on discretion that we're going to take this data low. We're probably going to tap this 1 hour gap, and then likely that 1 hour gap is going to push price higher, which is what ended up happening. So first entry off the 2 minute CISD gets break even. Second entry, we leave these relative equal lows now. We come back into this 1 minute gap, OTE 30-second close, break even, and then just TP around CE of the 1 hour. So that's it from me, guys. Again, I didn't like anything in the AM. There was some opportunities for continuations, but just looking back, it was just sloppy. But it is what it is. We're back at it tomorrow, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace.